Every build has a starting point. For Car Salon Lab, this is it. Behind this door is the garage before anything changes. This is what the garage looks like right now. It's not perfect and it's not organized. And honestly, there's a lot of work ahead. But I wanted to show the real starting point before anything changes. Before Car Salon Lab can become a real working place, I need to understand what I am starting with. The back wall is one of the problems right now. The fridge, stored item block view, and the workflow, and the shelf platform in the back will need to be demoed or removed safely before I can rethink that wall. The goal is to turn this garage into Car Salon Lab, a hands-on automotive learning space where I can work on cars, test tools, teach what I know, and document the process step by step. Before I can do that, this garage needs a real plan. I need to clean out everything out, organize the walls, clean the back wall, remove the shelf platform safely, improve the lighting, plan better access, figure out comfort and HVAC, create a better workflow, and eventually finish the floor with epoxy. This space has to become more than storage. It has to become a place where I can film, teach, diagnose, repair, detail, paint, and build something better than what I had before. I also have several personal car projects that will become part of this journey. The Hyundai has a cracked grille that needs repair and paint, and also has an engine light that needs diagnosis. The Scion has a peel and paint on the hood. The Jeep bumper has a rust that needs attention. These projects will give us a real lesson in diagnostics, plastic repair, paint prep, paint care, rust prep, tools, and when to do it yourself versus when to call a professional. So this episode is simple. This is the before. This is the garage before everything changes. It may not look much yet, but this is where the work starts. Welcome to episode 2 of Car Salon Lab, built from the garage up.